Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to extend C drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process, and we are not delete any partition or any file or any drive in this process. We are using the simplest way to extend C drive. First, we are going to our scenario. Here is this PC. I double click on this PC. I have only 5 GB hard disk. If you have multiple hard disks, it is also show on this PC. In this case, I have only one hard disk and it's contain two drive. First is the 105 GB drive and second is the 100 GB drive. And I have many unallocated space on my hard disk and I want to use that space and extend C drive. So I go to the close it and I go to the start and type disk management, or type create and format hard disk partition. Both are same. Click on that. It's open disk management. I center it. Here I find my all partition and all drive. If you have multiple drive, it shows disk number 0, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this case, I have only one hard disk. So it show only one hard disk. It is in disk number 0. It's contains C drive. And here we find our D drive. But one problem, our healthy recovery partition is between the C and D, and also C and this unallocated space are not close. If you want to extend C drive, this unallocated space and the C drive is at the same point or the closer in this hard disk partition. So I go to the C drive, right click on the C drive, and here we find our problem, extend volume. It is not extend or clickable. That is our place problem, and here we find the 293 approximately 300 GB unallocated space, and we want to merge this to this C drive, and we are not want to delete this healthy recovery partition or this D drive, and we are going to use one free software, and that software name is MiniTool Partition Wizard. So I go to any web browser that I like. I go to the Google Chrome and type MiniTool Partition Wizard and hit enter key. And first link is from the MiniTool partition. Open the first link, whatever first link is, open the first link. Here is the official website of the MiniTool Partition Wizard. And here we find two options, download now. Here we also find the download now. Click on this download or click on this download now. Both are same. And it's contain two versions. First is the free and second is the payable version. So I click it here, show in a folder. Its download is complete. Minimize it. Drag this to the desktop. Close it. Double click on your software. Here we find yes. Click on the yes. Click on the English. I go with the English. You can select any language that you want. Click on English. Click on OK. Here we find many options. First option is for the free edition. We are going to the free edition. If you want to pro edition, click on this buy now and click apply it, and after work it. I go with the free edition. Here we find it's basic disk partition management. It's give a basic partition management tools. So I go to continue install free edition. Click on that and click on the next. Here we find many options. We uncheck these two options. Go with the MiniTool Partition Wizard free. Click on the next. Click on next. Click on yes. Okay. And after a few minutes, here we find launch MiniTool Partition Wizard. Uncheck this, unselect it. Click on finish. Accept. Now go to the start. Here we find MiniTool Partition Wizard, or type MiniTool Partition Wizard and click on MiniTool Partition Wizard. Click on the yes. Okay, now it's open our MiniTool Partition Wizard for the first time. Wait for a few seconds, close it. After that, here we find our disk. If one disk, then it show one disk. Is multiple disks, then it show a multiple disks. And here we find our all sizes and all things. But go to here. Here we find our first partition. Okay, it is a 100 MB. It is a Windows partition. It is also 16 MB, and it is also Windows. Here we find our C drive. Here we find our D drive, our recovery partition, and here we find D drive, and here we find unallocated. And we are going to merge unallocated space with this C drive. You can also merge this unallocated space with the D or the C and D also, or create any partition from this unallocated space from this point. So I want to extend C drive, so I click on the C drive. It is an 105 MB. Now select the C drive, and here we find move, resize partition, or extend partition. I go with the extend partition. Okay, now here we find many options. First option is take a free space from. I go to the here, take a free space from. Here we find many options. Click at here, and I want to unallocate the space. If you want to form the D drive, then it's go to the D drive, and if you want to form the unallocated space, then click on the unallocated space. And then after that, if you want to give entire space, then move this slider to this last point. Okay, I want to give entire space, so I go move this slider to the last point. Okay, and after that, here we find the new C value. Here is the 105, our previous value, and the next value is the our 398, approximately 400 GB, not a 400 GB, approximately. And click on the OK. Now here we find undo. If you want to undo your changes, then click on undo. I want to change it, so I click on the apply, click on the yes, wait for a few seconds, close it, or click on the OK, close it, yes, close it. Now go to the our C drive, this PC. Here we find C drive is 398 GB, and here we find our D drive. I go to the disk management also, right click on the start, click on disk management. In the disk management, I center it. Here we find the C drive is the approximately 398.88 GB, and our unallocated space is removed from our disk. It goes to our C drive, and here we find our D drive. By this simplest way, I extend C drive with the simple step without deleting any drive or remove any drive or healthy recovery partition. We merge two partitions, C and unallocated space, in Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.